Hello, let's learn about liquid factory approach method. Let us add another package. I'm going to call it package 4. Liquid factory. Under this liquid factory, I'm gonna copy and paste it. Okay, I'm going to refactor it. Rename. And I'm going to call it Chrome factory. Call it. And right now, I'm going to add another class. I'm gonna call it liquid without main method. At liquid class, I'm gonna create a variable. Element as web element. I'm going to initialize it to null. And I'll declare it as public and static. Right now, I need to import web element object from Selenium OpenQA. And I'm going to create a public method. Will be as web as web element. It's gonna be name here. For now, I'm going to pass an argument as web driver variable, import web driver, imported. Okay. And here I'm going to say I'm going to assign this element a value. Where I'm going to take it? I'm gonna take it from here from Chrome. But okay. And it's gonna be first name. First name, and we're going to return first name. Sorry, return element. Okay, we already assigned it. The function name is first name here. Okay, then I'm gonna be copy pasting, but before this, I'm going to simplify it. Here, has been started. Here I'm copy pasting it. It. Okay. Now all this I'm going to leave. Timeout, manage, good. Now okay, let's create others. Copy, paste. It used to be last name. However, last name is taken from here. Good. Copy. Paste. Radio. 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 Copy. Once again, paste. Next element is check 1. Next element is check 1. Next element would be check 2. Check 2. Check 2. Copy this method. Paste it. Next element, text area. Text area be found right here. Copy. Paste again. Next will be drop down. Drop down. Element locator. Then it would be, I believe, last one. Open list, I called it. Open list. Okay, so far we created all this. Now I need to save it. And let's go to factory. Right now we don't need this one. Step 1, start test. Step 2 would be implement object-oriented programming principles. Okay. Scenario today would be different. Scenario itself implement of Chrome script and you implement liquid factory. There is such terminology like liquid factory approach. Same like automated a line or in a factory where each division is doing its own job. Right now, I'm gonna call liquid and I'm going first name. Good. Here going to be copy pasting. However, here going to call class name. Now here I'm going to be call radio. Here I'm going to be call link check 1. Check 2. Liquid. Text area. Clear. Then we simply copy it. Same. Now it's gonna be liquid. I'm calling drop down. And here it's gonna be liquid. Open list. Driver. Okay. Step 3. Finish. Stop test. Periods here. All the method. Now it looks okay. I'll save it and I'm gonna running it. I'm gonna be running it. Let's execute it and see the result. Result is as expected. Good. Now I'm gonna copy Chrome. Paste as Edge Factory. Know what to do. Setup. Here would be Edge driver. Imported. Let's see. Chrome is not required anymore. Y is also not required here. Web element is not required. Because it's in liquid factory right now, by WebDriver web element. I should probably do same here. By web element. Save. Same approach to call class. We separate public methods which return web element. Let's execute it. Okay. Edge browser worked as expected. Now I'll close it. Copy. Same standard procedure. paste as Firefox. Call Firefox. Firefox. Firefox imported. Here, change for WebDriver Manager. Firefox driver. Setup element. Okay. Good. Let's save it. Let's execute it. It's working. Same result as expected in all browsers. Very good, closed. Result as expected. So what to sum up? Need it? Save. To sum up, this time we separated web elements locations. It was very simple job to utilize object-oriented principle. We created another class liquid where we created web element data type as element, and each type we're calling web element locator, and we return this element for each different variable for all tests. The test worked in all three browsers. We simply had to call the class name, call the method, and implement a driver, because a driver, WebDriver, was an argument. Very good job. See you in the next lectures.